Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to zoom video in Inshot. First of all, you can open the Inshot application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply tap on video at the create new section, and here you can now tap on new. You can just simply select the photo or video. Here I can select this video. After selecting the video, you can now tap on check mark at the bottom right corner of the screen, and after this you can tap on the video timeline, and here you can just simply pinch the video to your fingers, and it is the way you can zoom video in short. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.